Yeah, like I have the best English in the world.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Right?
yeah, exactly.
So I am like boastful.
You are? Oh,
For
and
example.
okay, okay. And I'm very gullible. I've been doing these words with most of my students for 2 weeks. Well, this is the second week, I guess.
So
I want to see which ones you know and which ones you don't know.
Yeah, I love this challenge.
Okay, don't mind the little girl in the middle. Just look at the words.
Okay.
These are personality words.
Personality adjective. Okay. Quiet, cheerful. Okay. Brave.
Oh,
brave.
wait, are they just... Yeah, brave.
Brave. Thank you. Brave, selfish, gorgeous.
Wait, what? What is this word?
Generous.
Okay.
Because of the font.
I know.
Okay. Clumsy.
You're like, because of the font. Okay. Sorry.
Okay. But what about the right one? Neat.
Neat.
This is new for me. Neat.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So
Neat.
for example, this is not written very neatly. It was difficult for you to read. It's not very legible, right? For example, I'm a very neat person. I like everything organized and clean.
So I call myself like neat.
Your house is very neat too. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
And I also write very neatly. I write, all my letters are the same size. They all look the same. All of my E's are the same. My L's are the same.
I love
write
everything. I love everything to be organized.
Organized.
Just like this. So I'm neat. When you want, when you like to your house, everything like the books on the shelves.
Exactly.
Everything in this
The
in
dishes are not
their
in the
place.
sink. Yeah, they're in the cupboards. The cushions are in place. The shoes are away. You know.
So this is the adjective that we call to the person who is organized.
Neat. Exactly.
Neat. Yeah. Thank you. Neat.
For example, you can be neatly dressed also. Today I am not neatly dressed, but that would maybe like a sweater with a collar. Your nails can be neat. You know, your hair not like this, yani.
Yeah.
You know, neatly.
So if I say like I am not like organized unneatly, like the opposite.
No, then you would be sloppy. Here, sloppy. This word is not on here.
Sloppy.
Yeah.
Like someone.
Same thing with handwriting, huh? Continue.
Some sloppy, like someone who's not organized.
Correct. Not organized, and everything is everywhere.
You can say like he's a messy person.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So actually, neat would be the opposite of messy and sloppy.
Messy and sloppy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Naughty.
Naughty.
You skipped some words.
Okay. Boastful.
Boastful.
Boastful. This is new for me as well.
People that like to boast.
Boast. B-double-O or B-O-A-S.
Yeah, it's not legible. Okay, here. It's like this. Yani, look, let me write to boast and to be boastful.
To boast.
Yani, to show off. Look at my brand new phone. It was so expensive, like this, you know? Everybody look at my very expensive phone.
Okay, I have another word for this. For someone like to brag.
Yes, to brag. Very good. Yeah.
Like
someone that brags is a boastful person.
Yeah, like I have the best English in the world.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, exactly.
So I am like boastful.
You are? Oh,
For
is it?
example.
Okay. And I am very gullible. I believe everything, yeah. Okay.
Okay, very gullible. Yeah, I used to hear this word from you. Very gullible. It's like a clumsy.
No. It means that you believe everything. If you told me you're boastful,
Yeah.
I would believe you. If you told me you went to the moon, I would believe you.
Yeah, got you. I got you.
Gullible.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Because
Clumsy.
I switched my brain to English.
English.
So,
Yeah,
yeah.
I know. You forgot Arabic.
Yeah.
Go on.
Yeah.
Okay, clumsy.
Clumsy. Yeah.
You know?
Clumsy. I know clumsy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sensible.
Sensible. Yeah. Sensible. It means like if I tell you like something bad, you will directly like start crying.
No, that's sensitive.
Sensitive.
No, sensible
Say
is to be logical.
sensible to be
To be logical. Mantık.
Yeah, mantık.
Yeah. I know that one.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, like she's like a sensible person. She's always thinking with this, not with this.
Exactly. Yeah, logical. Yeah.
Yes.
Well, what about you? Do you think with this or with this?
I have my days. Sometimes I think with this, sometimes I think with this.
Yeah,
I have my days. What about you?
just like you. This is the human nature. Yeah.
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 Okay.
And the more you get old, the more you think with the logical with your brain. Yeah.
Unfortunately, I like thinking with this, not with
Exactly. Yeah. But
It's
but you cannot.
this. Yeah. Mantık sucks. Okay.
Mantık.
Yeah. Okay. Naughty.
Naughty. Yeah, naughty.
Okay.
I know naughty because I
Okay.
have 3 naughty in my house. Plus their mom.
No, don't say that.
This is not a bad word, right?
No, it's not a bad word.
Yeah.
Okay.
Easygoing. Yeah, I know easygoing. I'm easygoing with my tutors.
Okay, yeah, you are. You seem like an easygoing person.
Yeah.